Starter here, and today I will be showing you my fourth Lego gumball machine. I'm going to give you a 360 view of it. Alright, so I'm going to turn the knob here, and turn it back. Alright, I'm going to get a nickel. And it comes a gumball. And to reload it, I go over here, put it in, and get my coin, get the coin tray. Alright, I'm going to show you how this thing works. Every time I want to use it, I have to reset it from the back, like so. So, the knob, basically, is a black rod right there, that black rod, and that basically lifts up and knocks it down, a ramp, when it's reset. And then when I put in a nickel, see that gray thing right there? When I put in a nickel, this was in over there, my bad. So I put in a nickel, try again. Out comes the gumball, and I put it in the back usually, and to reset it, I just get this rod, reset it. And my coin tray is right here. If you want to see it done with a penny, you can't, because a penny won't work. So we'll try with a penny. Quarters won't fit, so I'm just going to give you that, because a nickel barely fits, but let's try with a penny. And a penny doesn't work, and it falls right through, and doesn't activate the gumball or marble. But if you put in a nickel, you just hit this. My bad, hold on, try again. There we go. Because I barely have it sticking out, and I couldn't hit it. And it comes the gumball. So, one more time. Knob, turn, move it forward. It's in place. Put in a nickel. Got my gumball. I will on this video give credit to Guitar 919191, because he basically, I watched his 7-round gumball machine, candy machine, and it basically gave me the idea of thing falling and then getting hit by a lever to knock it out. So I am giving credit to him, and I'm also giving credit to the person he got it off of too. So I don't know who that may be, but I'm also giving credit to that guy too. So thanks for watching my 4th version Lego candy machine. I'll do it one more time, just to show you how awesome it is. Just turn. It's in place. Get my money with my coin tray. I get a nickel. Out comes my gumball. Thanks for watching.